It's that time of year again. As we look ahead to tax season, salaried professionals all across India are asking the same big question. Do you stick with the old tax regime you know, or do you jump over to the new one? I know, it can feel like a headache, but really it all just boils down to one simple question.
Because that's what this is all about, isn't it? Making the wrong choice isn't just some box you tick on a form, it's a real financial mistake. It could literally mean you're paying thousands, maybe even over $1 lakh, more in taxes than you have to. And look, this isn't some made-up number I'm pulling out of thin air. Analysis from our source, Arthveda, shows this is the actual tax someone with a 12 lakh salary could save. We're talking about a serious amount of your hard-earned cash just being left on the table if you pick the wrong option.
So, the big question is, how do you make sure you are on the right side of that number? Well, stick with me. We're going to break it all down and find your answer in the next few minutes.
Okay, let's dive into the two contenders. And please, don't think of them as complicated tax laws. It's easier to think of them as two completely different philosophies, two different paths to saving your money.
The old regime, that's the one we've had for a while, is all about rewarding you for saving and investing. It gives you this whole menu of deductions for things like your home loan, your health insurance, your EPF. The new regime, on the other hand, kind of sweeps all that complexity away. It says, forget most of those deductions. In exchange, we're just going to give you lower, simpler tax rates right from the get-go.
And here is where you can really see the difference. Just look at this. Zero in on that income slab between 10 and 12 lakhs. See that? Under the old way, you're getting hit with a steep 30% tax rate. But whoa, look at the new regime. It drops all the way down to just 10%. I mean, on the surface, you can see why the new system is so tempting.
But hold on, because the story for this year gets even better. The new regime isn't just about those lower rates anymore. There's been a change, a really big one. That's a total game changer for a lot of people.
That's right. The new regime has, well, it's kind of like a secret weapon this financial year. A sweet spot that, honestly, a lot of people still don't even know exists.
Okay, get ready for this number. For salaried professionals, if your gross annual salary is up to 12,75,000 rupees, that can mean you pay $0. Zilch, nada. And no, this isn't some shady loophole. It's a feature, a benefit, built right into the new regime specifically for salaried folks like you.
So, you're probably asking, how on earth is that possible? Well, it's actually pretty simple. It boils down to two key things working together. First, there's a beefed-up tax rebate. Think of it as a direct discount on your final tax bill. And second, there's a standard deduction, which just lowers your taxable income right off the bat. When you put those two together, they completely wipe out any tax you'd owe as long as your income is under that 12.75 lakh mark.
Okay, I get it. All these sections and numbers can make your head spin. But don't worry, there's a tool that just cuts through all the confusion. Your absolute secret weapon in this whole process, the good old income tax calculator.
And the best part, it's not like you need a finance degree to use it. You just need a few key numbers you probably already have handy. Your gross salary, obviously, what you're putting into things like EPF or PPF, what you're paying for health insurance, and if you have a home loan, that interest amount. That's pretty much it.
So really, think of the calculator as your personal, unbiased tax guru. It doesn't have an opinion. It just crunches the numbers for both scenarios and spits out the answer, plain and simple. It tells you exactly which path will save you the most cash.
All right, but what if you just want a quick gut check? You know, a back-of-the-napkin way to figure this out before you even open a calculator. Well, there's a simple rule of thumb, a kind of break-even point that can give you a really good idea of where you stand.
Yeah, with all this talk about the new regime's benefits, you might be thinking, is there any reason to stick with the old one? And the answer is absolutely yes. It all comes down to one thing, how much you can claim in deductions. For people with big investments or a hefty home loan, the old regime can still be the clear winner.
And here it is, the magic number you need to burn into your brain, 4.25 lakhs. This is the rough point where the scales start to tip back in favor of the old regime.
So here's how it works. Super simple. If all your deductions, your provident fund, insurance, home loan interest, the whole shebang, add up to more than 4.25 lakhs, then chances are the old regime is your best friend. But if your deductions are less than, say, 3.75 lakhs, the new regime is pretty much a no-brainer. Now, if you're stuck somewhere in that middle ground, yep, that's your cue to fire up the calculator and get the final exact answer.
You know, for a second, let's just zoom out. Because this isn't just about saving a bit of tax this year. It's about something way bigger, way more important. It's about building your wealth for the long haul.
I came across this quote from our source, Arthveda, and it just hits the nail on the head.
It says, tax planning is not about evading your contribution. It is about utilizing the incentives the law provides for your personal growth. A rupee saved in tax and invested is a rupee that works twice as hard for your future. I mean, how powerful is that? It's not about dodging taxes, it's about being smart. A rupee you save today is a rupee that's working for your future.
So, as we finish up here, I want to leave you with one final thought. That money you save, whether it's a few thousand rupees or that 1,17,000 we saw earlier, what's it going to do for you? Is that the start of your vacation fund, an extra boost to your retirement savings? Maybe it helps you pay something off a little faster. The choice and the money is all yours. So go make the right one.